Welcome to the evening commodity market update. Let's begin with gold. Gold prices edged higher on Monday after hitting a 7-week high in the previous session as investors monitored lingering Middle East uncertainty and awaited US inflation data for fresh clues on the Federal Reserve's interest rate outlook. Gold reached its highest level since June 17th on Friday after weaker than expected US jobs data and sharp downward revisions to previous month employment gains strengthened expectations of a more accommodative Fed stance. On the technical front, MCX Gold started the week on a positive note, extending last week's gains. The price is expected to remain positive, and a breakout above 153,000 could push prices higher towards 154,300 and 155,000. Strong intraday support stands at 151,000. Moving to crude oil. WTI crude oil traded around $78.50 per barrel on Monday, holding recent gains as uncertainty persisted over efforts to reopen the Strait of Hormuz. Iran said talks with Oman on establishing a shipping route through the strategic waterway were nearing an agreement, but cautioned that any agreement would not result in an immediate reopening of the strait. On the technical front, MCX crude oil opened higher and is holding its third consecutive session of gains. The price is likely to face strong resistance near 7,600. A breakout above this level could trigger the next leg of the rally towards 7,800 and 7,880. Strong support stands at 7,300, while failure to sustain above resistance could drag prices towards 7,400 to 7,330. Finally, natural gas. European natural gas prices rebounded on Monday as uncertainty over transit conditions through the Strait of Hormuz offset signs of diplomatic progress. The move highlighted Europe's vulnerability to disruptions in global energy supply routes, while reports suggested that a draft agreement between Iran and Oman on new shipping channels through the strait had reached its final stages. On the technical front, MCX natural gas opened higher and is holding strong gains after a sharp reversal over the past two sessions. The outlook remains positive, and a breakout above 265 could push prices higher towards 276 and 282 in the coming days. Strong support stands at 250. That's your commodity wrap for today. Have a great trading day ahead. Investments in the securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.